Ohio.
Hi there, guys and gals. We're cleaning up still in the shop, but this guy here, this may upset a few. It's going to get done before the 69, mainly because I got to put that on the 69 car jig that we bought last weekend, and this sucker actually has really good bones. I mean, just drink it in. This quarter is pretty good. This door is actually really good, and the interior is all there-ish. Just saying. Fenders are junk, and this goes out to my might as well be adopted son Brock. We might be twinsies. This red and black's growing on me. Okay, I'm just saying it. That looks pretty good. No, Shannon, I hear you in the background. It's not going to be blue with white stripes. She may just go red with black. I was thinking about changing it to the original color, which is the Mystique Turquoise. Let me know what you guys and gals think on the 70 Chevelle project. And before I have to come up with a name, I don't know what to call it yet. It's going to be a beast, so Shannon, I may steal your nickname and just call it the Beast. Anyway, we'll see you guys on Right Turn Garage TV. Till then, y'all have a great one. Well, good morning, folks. Yesterday, we moved around the Chevelle, and we're gonna put the 69 there, and yada, yada, yada. So, here's the truth I'm gonna tell you. This car is definitely getting done before this car. Not because I love this car more, it's a close second. Anyway, but because this one is needing everything. Upon further looking, this car is a lot more solid than I thought. Now, it does need your typical trunk lid, probably a quarter. I don't know if I can patch that piece, but it's already had some really great professional type body work. But nonetheless, the doors are solid, the fenders are junk, the quarters you can expect to be junk, and more likely the trunk pan. But here's the thing. Look at the interior of this mug. It is there. Now, I know these are the incorrect seats. He told me that they were like 67 seats, and that's fine. We don't care about that part. But that back seat is pristine. The door panels, with the exception of the whoopsie, somebody wanted front speakers in the door. With the exception of that, the door panels are solid. I don't know if you guys have priced this stuff, but this stuff is really expensive, you know. So nonetheless, there's a very high probability that this one's getting done before that one. Now, I'm playing it honestly to work on them both at the same time. Whenever I'm waiting on parts for this, we'll go to that. I have a butt ton of parts for that. But that one is going to be on the jig for a year and a half, whatever. This one's going to be over here for a minute. We're going to lift him up, check that. But the one thing we like to do since Vice Grip done it, we have not checked the trunk. I don't even know what parts are inside there. I have no idea. Let's see what's in here. We have rally center caps. Looks like a tail light. A clutch fan. Chevy truck wheels? Look at that! Hey! With beauty rings. I'll be dipped. Coming up for sale really soon. Square body Chevy rallies, I guess. Wow! That's a winning. Looky there. There is all of... Hot dang. He told me everything come with it, and he's a really good feller too. I was really lucky to land this car, in my opinion. We've got goodies, boys and girls. This is making me feel better about that one. You know what I mean? Like, hey, looky here. Protein powder. Bet you it's still good. It sounds like it may have set up. Let's see what's in it. We have bunch of randomness that we're going to keep. I love it. The trunk pan looks like it has been restored 90s style, meaning they put sheet metal down. Now, he did tell me about that. The fella I got this car from, great guy. Used to do the, he was the navigator on them rally road cars. I said, dude, you're gutsy. I don't even want to sit in one of those things while they're doing 110 and craziness and saying left, right, left, 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 right. Looky there. Oh, that's exciting even seeing that. I'm telling you, that's awesome. So yeah, we lucked out. Got some really good looking rallies, some beauty rings, and 4 square body Chevy wheels. Manifolds and a Y pipe, I bet you, that goes to the original block. That's pretty awesome, man. I really just wanted to see what was in here. We got a radiator, fuel tank, which we're never ever going to use because, oh yeah, those are, God bless. All right, cool. Well, we're going to be able to, oh sweet, we just got a bunch of random everything. This is awesome. Awesome. So it looks like, from what I can see, the trunk is absolutely shot underneath, which is fine. Inner wheel wells are okay-ish. Trunk is just, it's garbage inside there, and that's fine. Radiator, we're not going to use because, I don't know if you know this or not, this thing is going to be a behemoth. I'm talking a 408 stroker, a supercharger, and more than likely a 6-speed manual. I said it, manual. Because these cars were meant to run. I mean, I remember my dad had a, yes, Shannon, the white striped blue one. 396 4-speed. He drag raced it. He road raced it. It was a beautiful, beautiful car. Yeah, this trunk is shot. Which, what I was told was he carried salt in the back of his trunk. This car come from New York. And everything the guy has told me has been 100% true. And that right there-ish, can you guys see it? Maybe, hopefully. It says 1993. Can you see it? No, you can't see it. Hold on. I'm trying to line up. There it is. 1993, New York. So, seeing that, I mean, and I have the build sheet and all that crap. The guy was more than 100% honest with me. I couldn't appreciate it more. He sold this to me at a very, very fair price. One where I can actually spend money in it and not feel bad at all about spending money in it. The 69, if you know anything about first-gen Camaros, you're just going to pay through the nose for them. It doesn't matter the shape. And if you get one that's in good shape, it might be junk. It might be a bunch of Bondo like the Trans Am was. Ugh. So, anybody looking for some full-size Chevy wheels, give a fella a holler. I'll make you a good deal. This is just all kinds of 7 kinds of exciting to me. This really looks good. Let's look under the hood here, shall we? I mean, we already know we got, I don't know in there, but we have, hold on, this is going to take at least 2 hands, maybe 3. Pull down here for this guy. Okay, we like what we see. That's me. Hi. Let me flip this. Can I flip this thing around? I don't even know how to flip the camera around. Anyway, we see GM Restoration inner fenders. Holy cow. So somebody was going to restore it. We got a manual brake, air conditioned, power steering car. That's an odd wait a minute. Did I? Holy cow. Hold on a second. I think we really just come out ahead. We did. Oh my God, I can't believe I found this. hold on. This just made the deal. We have a flip phone. We got a free flip phone with this. It's a Motorola. Oh, dude, that right there, that just sealed it. We got a free Motorola flip phone with this car. The day's done. I'm golden. Golden. However you look at it now, it's golden. But anyway, so that's a rare kind of option thing. Manual brakes, but power steering and air conditioning. Well, I guess to each their own or something. At least they wanted some AC, I guess. But I'm pretty excited to lift that thing up, get all that crap out of the trunk and see what we got. And just stick around. That one's going to be a pretty good one, I think. I feel a lot more gooder after looking at it. And plus side, can you hear that in the background? That thing is running like a sewing machine. Not going to kid you. She runs really good. Listen at it. She might even be hitting on all 8. Huh? Letting it run because, well, why not? But listen to this. Yep. Either the battery's done, which I think it is. But anyway, yeah, I actually don't even have the battery post really on it that much. Totally rebuilt the motor yesterday. Yep. Lost the receipt. No big deal. Don't mind the overspray. That's how they came factory. So we got to get busy cleaning. Get ready for the festivities to happen. Like old Burt Reynolds and them said in that movie once. We got a long way to go and a short time to get there. I'm southeast bound. Watch all Todd Road clean. Is that, huh? That was pretty neat, huh? Anyway, guys and gals, y'all have a good one. We're pretty excited about the old chevelle. Very, very excited about it. I love the fact that I just found some stuff to, you know, make a little bit of dice off of. A little bit of cabbage. So, that's all for this one. Y'all have a good one. And we'll see you next time here on Right Turn Garage TV. All right? See ya. So, guys and gals, it gets better. And I mean a lot better. I was told that the rear frame was rough on this. It's not. It's the trunk bracing, which is easily replaceable, and a brace in the floor. And that is it. The rest of it is solid as can be. It just has surface truss. The horns are in great shape. Everything is solid. I feel like hashtag winning. I mean, the floors aren't even that horrible. Wow. Hey, look, I got a free tool. Look, you see that? Sweet. And it looks like a good screwdriver too. Flathead, I bet. Oh man, she's in there. Come out. Come on. Okay, well, there we go. Look at that sucker, dude. That's a heck of a flathead. That's what I'm talking about, baby. Hashtag winning right there. But yeah, check this baby out. I mean, it's solid. It's just crusty. That's it. Like, not rusted through anywhere. That's... oh my God, dude, this is great. Okay, so I retract my previous statement about it may get done before the 69. Wow. The trunk shot, which he told me about, and he said there was a place in the frame that was bad. But that's just... there's no place in the rear frame that's bad. Anywhere. Oh man, this is going to be a great project. I am super pumped. Wow. I mean, we expected all this. We expected every bit of this. In fact, we expected more. C10 wheel, sorry. We expected a heck of a lot more. Like, a lot more, oh my God, what did I get myself into-ish? But it's not there. Guys and gals, we won. Today, we absolutely won. Wow. Tell me what y'all think. I mean, I know it needs work, but I was expecting the whole floors to be gone and parts of the frame to be Bluetoothed. You know what I mean? Just like not really there. Wi-Fi sending the signal, but it's not there. You know, this is there. That's amazing. Well, this day is really starting out great. Now we got to get back to work. I had to see what was in the trunk, and I had to see the frame. Had to. Anyway, love you guys. We'll see you later. Keep watching. All right?